Together, work-based learning and VCTC will take your career to new heights.
Hi, my name's Jake Gray, and my main focus here at Valley Career and Technical Center is the work-based learning coordinator. I bridge the gap between my colleagues on staff and our second semester seniors who are ready to go out to work in the community. I help to gain employment and to get these young people hooked up. I am a career educator of 27 years here at the Tech Center, and I enjoy helping our young people to create a successful path into full-time employment.
Hi, my name is Thompson. I am a graduate from here at VCTC. I was a part of the Teachers for Tomorrow program, and it is just such an amazing program. I was able to be a part of their work-based learning, which has really just flourished me as a learner and just as who I want to be in the future. Here at VCTC, I think you are more than just a person. You get to see more and do more and just really get your hands on stuff so you can figure out if it's really something you want to do or if it's maybe something you don't really want to do. While I was here, I got the opportunity to be in an internship at Wilson Elementary, so I got to really go in and just put my hands on things and really see what it's like to be a teacher. And I think it just gives you a better idea if you really want to do something. And for me, of course, it was like, yes, this is what I want to do. So now I'm at Bridgewater College, and my intentions are to be an education major. I am currently in an Education 140 class, so that is helping me get into the education program there.
Hi, I'm Joshua Ernst. I graduated from Valley Career and Technical Center, the Auto Tech program, and I did a work-based learning program where I went out into a shop at the Valley Hyundai, and I worked with real mechanics in my field, and it was a good time. I learned a lot, especially in the field, and now I'm going to college for aviation and the power plant of the planes, and I had to do that to get to where I am now, and it helped me connect the dots and figure out what I wanted to do and whatnot.
When VCTC and community business partners work together to support learning, everyone benefits. Work-based learning, or WBL, is a coordinated sequence of experiences designed to provide students with real-world learning through partnerships with local business and industry. These learning activities help a student explore careers and choose an appropriate career path. Regardless of advancements in technology, it remains true that the most important resource to a business, a community, and a nation is talent. Talent drives the innovation, production, and advancement that is essential to efficient work and productivity. In order to close the gap between education and the world of work, a talent pipeline is being created. This pipeline will serve as a direct conduit from VCTC to industry. This will allow students to be productive members of society and grow their communities while experiencing financial success through paid WBL experiences. Has this piqued your interest? If so, hit that subscribe button to watch and learn more about the wide variety of courses Valley Career and Technical Center offers and how our work-based learning program could help you turn your dream career into a paid reality. Are you a local business looking for quality employees? Contact Valley Career and Technical Center today to learn more about how work-based learning could help your company grow.